Step 1. Subject plus verb. First, we start with the basic structure. Subject plus verb. Our first sentence is, I study. Very simple. Now, let's make it a little longer. Step 2. Add time. We can add a time expression to tell us when we study. I study every day. Here, we added every day. Now our sentence is a little longer. Let's make it even better. Step 3. Add place. Now, let's add a place to tell us where we study. I study every day at home. Here, we added at home. Now we know when and where I study. Let's move to the next step. Step 4. Add purpose. Now, let's explain why I study. We can add a purpose. I study every day at home to improve my English. Here, we added to improve my English. Now we know the purpose of studying. Let's make the sentence longer. Step 5. Add a reason. Now, let's add a reason using the word because. I study every day at home to improve my English because I want to become a better English speaker. Excellent. Now our sentence has more information. We know what I do, when I do it, where I do it, why I do it, and the reason behind it. Let's add one more idea. Step 6. Add extra information. Now, let's add some extra information using the word which. I study every day at home to improve my English because I want to become a better English speaker, which will help me communicate with people around the world. Great. Now our sentence is much longer and more detailed, but we can make it even more interesting. Step 7. Add contrast. Now, let's use the word although to show contrast. Our final sentence is, although learning English is sometimes difficult for me, I study every day at home to improve my language skills because I want to become a better English speaker, which will help me communicate confidently with people around the world. Let's remember the formula. Now, let's remember the formula together. Subject plus verb, then add time, then place, then purpose, then reason using because. Then, extra information using which or who. And finally, contrast using although or even though. So, remember, subject plus verb, plus time, plus place, plus purpose, plus reason, plus extra information, plus contrast.